And when I saw this bag, I literally gasped. This is an epiphany of my perfect Hermes bag. Hi guys, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. Today's video is an extremely exciting video for me. You can see I have a box. It's a Quota bag. I will tell you right away, it's a Quota bag. It's the most desirable bag by me. It's an absolute epiphany. If I would put a dream, this is an absolute epiphany for Hermes handbag for me personally. And I mean, I'm not gonna beat around the bushes. I'm gonna start doing unboxing, and then I'm gonna explain my reasoning. I'm maybe gonna include also short clip at the boutique, etc. But before we proceed, if you're into luxury, if you're into fashion, specifically if you're into handbags, please consider subscribing to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up. I'm so excited. I hope you're gonna be excited for me as well. And let's start it. So first and most, you can see gorgeous Hermes box by this little print right there. If you're into Hermes, you will know right away that this is actually an exotic handbag. And let's start it. And I love it how they do it at the boutique. I'm maybe gonna also include short clip because she was taking her time, literally. She was taking her time. Okay, oops. Put it wrong way. There you go. And this beauty in its nice comfortable bed on a pillow, and it always comes with a raincoat, especially, you know, for Quota bags, or actually some of the Hermes bags that's not Quota also comes with the raincoat. So anyway, ta-da! And let me remove the dust bag. So I'm introducing to you my Hermes Birkin 30 in Ostrich and shiny Alligator with palladium plated hardware. Oh my god, this bag is so beautiful. And the color is actually, the top is a black, the bottom it looks like black, but it's actually not. They call it indigo blue, and it's a gorgeous color. Normally it looks like a black color, but when you move the bag, it just gives that kind of shimmer of indigo color. Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. Here is the back. You can see maybe over here a little bit more clearly, kind of like almost like an ink blue undertone. And there we go, guys. And if you watch my wish list for this year, I said that Birkin 30 was #1 on my wish list, and of course I would have been happy with any leather on Birkin. But if you watch my previous videos, or anytime I'm talking on absolute, like, you know, dream bag from Hermes, I always said that I want to get something in Ostrich. But when I get offered Ostrich with touch of Alligator, this is an absolute you know, luxury handbag. Like, I mean, it can get even more luxurious when everything is crocodile or, you know, Himalayan Birkin. But for me, this is a perfect handbag, and I think this is as high as I want to go, but you never know. Let's talk in 5 years. So let me just kind of, like, you know, unbutton. Like, everything is still here, like plastics, etc. Oh my goodness, so beautiful. So let me remove all of this, and I'm obviously gonna oopsie, This is also quite stiff because you know the ostrich leather is very, very firm. So let me remove so let me show you inside. So that's how it looks like inside. Just a dark color. I'm assuming it's actually also dark blue. Now I'm looking at the kind of light. It's also kind of indigo blue, dark inside. Let me show you clochette. So normally, obviously, I'm gonna put this, you know, the flap at the back. And often people saying that, oh, it doesn't worth it to buy, you know, Birkin touch because it's kind of the flap is hidden. I respectfully disagree, because even just like that, you have the glimpse of that gorgeous alligator, but at the same time, it's not going to be as worn fast as possible. Let's put it this way. So, and here is the clochette. And clochette also covered in, not in ostrich, but in alligator skin, and like, I mean, the lock itself and the clochette. So let's just put it, so let me just put this just like that, just like that. And let me just do clochette and the lock. Okay, so this is in a full glory. You can see clochette and the lock, and I love that the lock and clochette, it's actually covered with leather, because normally, like let's say on my Kellys, I don't put it because I'm worried that it will scratch the skin, but because this is actually leather on leather, it's very, very nice. And because the main color of the bag is dark, like it's indigo blue, it's looking like a black, but there is a little bit difference between the indigo blue and the black. So all this, you know, the touch is actually even more visible. So absolutely gorgeous. There you have it, guys. There you have it. So let me tell you the reasoning why I requested specifically an ostrich handbag, because I said if I want something exotic, I want it in ostrich. So here is my reasoning. So first and most, from exotic leather, ostrich is the most durable. This is the most durable leather. Then it's extremely light. If you watch my video, the handbags that I sold in year 2021, as I said, I sold my 2424 because it was in Maurice leather and it was heavy, almost impossible to use it. So this one is very, very light, durable and light. Ostrich doesn't afraid of rain, so even if you get caught in the rain, you can just wipe it off and it's all okay. The only one thing ostrich kind of afraid of, it's a natural oil of the hands, and that's where usually the hands get kind of darker color, so it gets darker. In my case, because it's actually an alligator touch, I should not worry about that, because my handle's already in a black color and it's not ostrich, it's an alligator. So there you go, guys, and it's really, really light. Absolutely gorgeous. So happy that I was able to score this beauty this year. Later on, also, once again, I'm gonna report to you on the progress of using this handbag. And as I said, like, you know, if I want to get something in exotic, I want something that I still able to use, because let's say Himalayan Birkin, it's gorgeous, but it's almost difficult to use in normal life. Let's put it this way. This is obviously, it's gorgeous, it's absolutely gorgeous, but I would say it's something usable, you know, it's something that you can still use in everyday life. So there you have it, guys. This is my unboxing. If you like the video, please don't forget to give me likes, subscribe, share, and I will see you on my next one. Bye bye.